Hello, you're welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Mercy and I'm the creative director of Fabes Empire. So welcome to all our new subscribers and to our old subscribers, I say thank you. Thanks for always coming. So today we are going to learn how to tie that beautiful rosy gele. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click on the notification button so that you get notified whenever we upload new videos. So let's get started. Material needed for this gele is we need asoke. I'm using asoke, and the asoke is a bit soft. It's not the hard type. And we'll be making use of our office pin as well. So let's get started. Now, here is asoke I'm making use of. It's in 3 away. 1, 2, 3. It's joined together. So you make it 50-50. The 50-50 means 2 equal halves. Divide into 2 equal halves. Can you see it? Then you hold the center like this. Then you create your pleats. Create your pleats like this. Like this. Can you see it? I just want like 3 pleats. Like this. So I put it on my head. So after putting it on your head, you use your neck to hold it. And then you arrange the pleats. Can you see it? Then you hold it. So the other one too, you arrange the pleats. Arrange the pleats well. If you like, you may not form pleats. But for me, I want to form just little pleats at the base. So you arrange the pleats. Allow it to show. This is it. Then you tie. The normal tie now. So here's what we have. Now this gele is very simple. It's simple. So after tying it, just pick this like this. Then you start rolling it. See it? You roll it like this. I'm rolling it inward. Can you see it? So I finished rolling it. Then I pick the tip, and then I tack it down. Make sure you tack it down and it's holding down. See it? See that it's falling. I don't want it to fall. So I hold it down at the back as well. Like I pick. So here is it. Can you see it? So I pick this as well. I roll it inward like this. I roll it inward like this. And then I tack it down too. I tack it down well. So you have to make sure that you pin down your gele in, then out. See, it's holding it down now. But this thing, there's tendency of it falling. Can you see? So I'll still tack it down at the back as well. I'll just pick it at the back, and so here's what we have. Can you see it? So now I don't want it separate like this. I just hold it like this. Now here is what we have. Now I can use my hand to adjust it. Just adjust it little. Don't need to adjust it much. Can you see it? So after that, you can choose to leave it this way. Just adjust. Then you can choose to shift it to the side like this. If you don't want it to be at the center, just shift it to the side like this. Shift it to the side. Arrange your pleats. Arrange your pleats like that. And here is what we have. So beautiful and unique. So here's what we have. You can shift it to the back, and there is a crown. Add the seeds. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, share, like, comment, and see you next time. Bye.